Good morning, children. This is the term book, page number 133. This is your EVS second lesson, the world of plants. The world of plants. Okay. Now we are going to choose the correct answer. B-A-N-Y. Please, children, repeat along with me. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan is an A-N-An. E-X-A-M-P-L-E. Example of a tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Banyan is an example of a tree. Shrub, climber, tree, herb. This banyan is a tree. That's why we choose tree. Okay. Banyan is an example of a tree. B-A-N-Y-A-N. Banyan is I-S is A-N-An. Example E-X-A-M-P-L-E. Example of a tree. T-R-E-E, tree. Banyan is an example of a tree. Fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits, C-O-M-E, come from F-R-O-M, from flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Fruits come from flowers. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits, C-O-M-E, come, F-R-O-M, from F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Fruits come from flowers. Banyan tree is an example of a tree. Fruits come from flowers. Example E-X-A-M-P-L-E-S. Examples of creepers. C-R-E-E-P-E-R-S. Creepers are pumpkin, P-U-M-P-K-I-N, pumpkin, and watermelon, W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N, watermelon. Examples of creepers are pumpkin and watermelon. Examples of creepers are pumpkin and watermelon. Children, you have to write in your classwork. Okay, you have to keep the heading, fill in the blanks, and the banyan tree is an example of a tree. Okay, the word tree is underlined. Fruits come from flowers. You have to underline the flowers. Okay, children. Example of creepers are dash and dash, pumpkin and watermelon. You have to write in your classwork, fill in the blanks. Okay, all these choose the correct answers. You have to write like fill in the blanks. Okay, strike out the odd one out. Plants need these to grow. Plants need soil, air, water, not sugar. That's why we strike out. Okay, these are some, T-H-E-S-E, these, A-R-E-R, S-O-M-E, some, T-R-E-S, trees. These are some trees. M-A-N-G-O, mango, mango is tree. B-A-N-Y-A-N, banyan is tree. R-O-S-E, rose, rose plant. Okay, rose plant, not rose tree. That's why we strike the word rose. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut. Mango, banyan, coconut. We get these from plants. We get these, T-H-E-S-E, these from P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. We get these from plants. Flowers, cups, not. We don't get. Okay. Seeds, S-E-E-D-S, seeds, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. We get these from plants. Flowers, seeds and fruits. Okay. You have to write in your classwork, plants need these to grow. You have to write soil, air, water. These are some trees, mango, banyan, coconut. We get these from plants, flowers, seeds, fruits. Okay, children? Write yes or no. Herbs are taller than trees. H-E-R-B-S, herbs, A-R-E-R-T-A-L-L-E-R, taller, T-H-A-N, then, taller than, T-R-E-S, trees. Herbs are taller than trees. No. G-R-A-P-E-V-I-N-E, grapevine. G-R-A-P-E-V-I-N-E, grapevine is a climber. C-L-I-M-B-E-R, climber. Grapevine is a climber. This is the right statement. S-Y-E-S. B-I-R-D-S, birds. M-A-K-E, make. N-E-S-T-S, nests on trees. Birds make nests on trees. S-Y-E-S-S. Okay, children, these three also you have to write yes or no in your classwork also. Read and write. Okay, read with the spellings. like this: HERBS herbs, ARER, TALLER taller, THAN then TRES trees. Like this you have to read and write yes or no also. Okay children. Next, answer the answer in one word or two words. What? WHAT what? ARER, SHORT short, AND BUSHY bushy, plants 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 called CALLED called. What are short and bushy plants called? Shrubs. The answer shrubs, SHURBS shrubs. Once again repeat along with me children. What are short and bushy plants called? Shrubs, SHURBS shrubs. What are short and bushy plants called? Shrubs, SHURBS shrubs. WHERE, where, DO, MOST, most, PLANTS plants, GROW, grow. Where do most plants grow? Soil, SOIL, soil. Once again repeat children. WHERE, where, DO, MOST, most, PLANTS plants, GROW, grow. Where do most plants grow? Soil, SOIL, soil. Third one. What kind of a plant is mint? WHAT what? KIND kind. OF of a PLANT plant is IS mint, MINT mint. What kind of a plant is mint? The answer herb, HERB herb. HERB herb. Once again repeat children. What are the short and bushy plants called? Shrubs. What are the short and bushy plants called? Shrubs. Where do most plants grow? Soil. Where do most plants grow? Soil. What kind of plants is mint? Herb. Okay children, you have to write in your classwork question one time and answer two times. Question one time and answer two times. Okay. Next, answer the questions. Okay. What are the different types of plants? What? WHAT what? ARER, THE the. What are the different? DIFFERENT different. TYPES types. OF of PLANTS plants. What are the different types of plants? The answer trees, TRES trees, SHRUBS shrubs, SHRUBS shrubs, climbers, CLIMBERS climbers, CLIMBERS climbers, herbs, HERBS herbs, HERBS herbs, and creepers, CREEPERS creepers. What are the different types of plants? Trees, shrubs, climbers, herbs and creepers. Once again repeat children. WHAT what? ARER, THE the, DIFFERENT different, TYPES types of, OF of plants, PLANTS plants. The answer trees, TRES trees, SHRUBS shrubs, climbers, CLIMBERS climbers, herbs, HERBS herbs, and creepers, CREEPERS creepers. Second question. What do plants need to grow? WHAT what? DO do, PLANTS plants, NEED need to grow, GROW grow. What do plants need to grow? Plants, PLANTS plants, need, NEED need. Plants need soil, SOIL soil, AIR air, AIR air, water, water, and SUNLIGHT sunlight, SUNLIGHT sunlight, TO2 GROW grow. Plants need soil, air, water and sunlight to grow. What do plants need to grow? Plants need soil, air, water and sunlight to grow. Name 5 things that plants give us. Plants give us food. Plants, plant, give, us us, food, food, food. Plants give us food. Medicines, 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 and wood, wood. Plants give us food, medicines, and wood. They also protect us from the sun. THEY, they, ALSO also, PROTECT, 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 protect us, us, from, 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 the, 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 SUN, sun. They also protect us from the sun. Plants give us food, medicine and wood. They also protect us from the sun. What are the different types of the plants? What are the different types of a plant? Tree, shrubs, climbers, herbs and creepers. What do plants need to grow? Plants need soil, air, water and sunlight to grow. Name 5 things the plants give us. Plants give us food, medicines and wood. They also protect us from the sun. They also protect us from the sun. Parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. What are the parts of a plant? Flower, 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 FRUIT, fruit, SEED, seed, LEAF, 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 STEM, stem, ROOTS, roots. Flower, fruit, seed, leaf, stem, roots. Parts of a plant. Okay children, all of you read. After that you have to write each question 1 time and answer 3 times in your homework book. Okay children, thank you.